Hi, it's me again, I'm back.
Good afternoon, sis. Introducing my name is Rara Hikmah from the Tax Accounting major. Let me borrow your time to have a short conversation about finance. Before that, I have to know the lecture I'm going to talk to, right? Can you introduce yourself, sis?
Hello, my name is Iman Hakim. I am lecturer to Universitas Honor University. Thank you.
Okay. My topic of conversation might be a bit sensitive, talking about finance. Do you mind?
No, I will.
Okay, if you don't mind, I'll get started. Before discussing finance, there are something I would like to ask.
What do you want to ask?
People say that learning accounting is very difficult because you have to calculate and estimate accounts a lot. What do you think?
I think learning accounting is not difficult because it's actually very fun.
Next, now I will start talking about finance. What do you think about finance?
Menurut finance, menurut Bapak makna dari keuangan adalah bagaimana kita bisa berinteraksi melakukan perekonomian dengan satu mata uang atau penukar ya dengan keuangan tersebut. Seperti itu.
To me, the meaning of finance is how we can interact to do economy with one currency or exchange with finance.
Is finance important for every human being?
Keuangan tentu saja penting bagi manusia karena tadi di awal dibilang keuangan adalah sebagai mata tukar ya, alat untuk tukar menukar ya, maka akan menggunakan nilai atau mata uang gitu ya. Sehingga nanti keuangan tersebut juga berpengaruh pada bagaimana cara pencatatannya, bagaimana cara pembukuan seperti itu.
Finance is of course important to humans because finance is a tool for exchanging value or currency, so finance affect the recording and bookkeeping, so like that.
What is good finance for you?
Untuk keuangan yang bagus itu tentunya disesuaikan dengan bagaimana kita mengelolanya ya, bagaimana kita membedakan atau menyeimbangkan antara pendapatan dan pengeluaran, itu akan menghasilkan keuangan yang bagus.
Good finance is of course by how we can manage it, how to balance income and expenses so as to produce good finance.
Next, what is bad finance mean to you and what are some examples?
Contohnya ya keuangan yang buruk, contohnya misalkan pendapatan kita hanya 4 juta per bulan, tapi pengeluarannya bisa melebihi sehingga dari itu salah satu pengelolaan keuangan yang buruk di mana pengeluaran bisa terjadi.
An example of poor finance is when we earn only 4 million for 1 month, but our expenses exceed that. That is one of the bad finance, where expenses are greater than income.
So, what was your finance condition over the past year?
Peristiwa di Indonesia apakah sendiri? Alhamdulillah keuangan kita sendiri alhamdulillah berjalan dengan baik, cukup gitu ya, jalan sesuatu juga cukup seimbang lah untuk pendapatan sama pengeluaran.
Financial condition in Indonesia are what? My own finance are sufficient and running well, balanced between income and expenses.
Next, what obstacles do you often experience in managing your finance?
Hambatan selama ini sih hambatannya tidak begitu sulit ya karena kalau kita jadi kita bisa memprediksi atau menanggulangi ya untuk masalah-masalah mengenai keuangan tersebut.
So far, the obstacles in my finance are not so difficult if we work and continues get income. So we can manage the finance like what? So we can predict or overcome for these financial problems.
Do you have a way to manage your finance?
Of course, yes.
Okay. How do you manage your finance? Who knows? Maybe the audience so it can use this method to manage their finance. What's more, young people who are considered to have a high consumptive spirit, seeing a slight discount immediately purchase.
Tip dalam mengatur keuangan salah satunya Anda atau teman-teman mahasiswa semua bisa merencanakan keuangan sendiri. Bagaimana ketika kita mendapatkan sesuatu di bulan tersebut, kita harus mencatat poin-poin penting aja atau kebutuhan apa saja yang benar-benar dibutuhkan, sehingga keperluan lainnya yang tidak begitu mendesak kita bisa sisihkan dulu nanti, sehingga nanti keuangannya kita bisa prediksikan berapa sisanya, gitu ya, berapa yang terpakai, berapa pemasukan, ya. Jadi kita bisa prediksi setiap bulannya itu pengeluarannya benar-benar menjadi dulu.
Tips on managing finance on one of them for you and your fellow students can all plan the finance themselves. How do we get something in the moon and we have to record import things that are needed to be realized at a later time, and we can predict the expenses incurred.